Hello everyone.
Hello.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Yes, good morning. So the previous class was about the array, right?
Ma'am.
Yes.
So what is
Array
an
and
array?
encapsulation.
Encapsulation and array.
Okay. So what is an array?
Collection of homogeneous data.
Array is
Member type of array.
the collection of homogeneous data type.
Data.
In Java, array is an object, right?
Right.
Yes. And also have the superclass is called object class.
Yes. So what is the advantage of array?
Multiple value store. Also, we can use the single and multi-dimensional array together.
And it is faster than the primitive data type.
Yes.
What are the disadvantages?
The size of the array
Height
is
at the
fixed.
fix.
We cannot extend the size.
The size of the field in the runtime we cannot fix the size. We have
And
to
then,
fix the size when we creating the object of the array.
and waste of memory also in the array. Waste of
Insertion and
memory.
deletion operation is difficult.
Yes.
And we can store only one similar data of data types only.
Hmm.
Yes.
What is an encapsulation?
I mean, encapsulation, wrapping of class and object together. Also, we can say that data members and the corresponding method wrapping together is known as the encapsulation.
Combination of the data members and corresponding methods in a single unit or single class is called
Yes, ma'am.
encapsulation.
Array is also known as static data structure. Okay. So what is static data structure?
Can you please repeat once again?
Array is also known as static data structure.
Okay.
Static data structure.
Ma'am, static data structure means the size should be fixed.
Collection
I
of
mean,
data in memory with a fixed size.
Yes.
memory
that-
size should be fixed.
Yes.
Yes, data structure means arranging the data in a specific manner. That is called data structure.
Yes. Because the size of the array must be specified at the time of its declaration, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So that's why array is also known as static data structure. Okay. So today we will learn about the how to access the array, okay, using the loops.
Okay, ma'am.
So I am sharing my screen.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, sharing.
Now visible.
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So first we'll see the example of how to use the for loop. Okay. So you can write like this, or you can also write like this, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So already you know how to declare an array, right?
Right.
So here I am declaring the array. If I print here ARR, so what will print?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm
One
just
by the
writing.
end of the.
I'm just writing ARR.
And right. So only print the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the area.
Index value will be printed.
Yes, index value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that.
What is response?
I think it will print the address of the array, ma'am. Address of the memory address, I think, ma'am.
Where the array stores?
Array stores in heap area, ma'am.
Heap memory.
Area, ma'am.
Yes. Why?
Because arrays
Ma'am,
are
because the
stored
object
objects.
array is the object.
Objects are stored in heap area, ma'am.
In Java.
Yeah. Memory address.
Yes. If I write here length, array dot length, then
5 will be
Then
printed. The length of the size of the
then-
array will be printed, ma'am. 5.
yes,
1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5. Index value.
Yes. So it will print the. See, I am taking a variable and initializing with 0, and see, array of the length is 5, right? So it is the condition, and I is increasing, right? So it will print first 10, then 20, then 30, 40, 50. Okay. So here I am using the for loop for accessing the data of an array. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is coming very slow.
Okay. So here it is an example of you can use a for loop to access the array data. Okay. Any doubt, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Sabbasachi? Sabbasachi is there. He is present today. Sangeeta? Khushbu? Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Sabbasachi is there.
Okay. And Sangeeta? Sangeeta is not present
Sangeeta
today.
is not now.
Okay. And Rahul? Rahul is present today.
Rahul also not there.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Only 19 members are there.
Yes. Done, everyone?
Yes.
Buddhadev,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
getting the output.
Yeah,
Understand
ma'am. Yeah,
how to
ma'am.
use
Yeah.
the for loop for array.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. Done, ma'am.
Any doubt, anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So now we will see that how to use while loop for an array. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you know the syntax how to write while loop, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, sir.
So here first I am declaring a variable I, then
That is initialization, then condition, and after that
yes,
body and
Main condition.
yes.
that is the main.
Just run the program.
10 quit 40.
Yes.
40 quit.
So getting the array elements.
Yes, ma'am.
See here I have written 5.
Yes.
So I know the length, but I can use that,
Array.
yes, array length
Array
also.
dot length.
Yes. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So next, I will giving an example how to use the do while loop, okay, for an array. So what is the syntax for do while loop?
First value, to declare the value, then do, then parenthesis open, parenthesis close. Between the parentheses we have to print, and then increment, then while will come, and then for in that line of while condition will be checked.
Yes. So for the do while loop,
First, we have to declare do.
yes,
Then, after
then
that,
the condition.
conditional code.
If the condition not satisfied, but one loop will definitely work, right?
Run.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
I.
Can everyone understand the do while loop?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
It is working?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So next come with for each loop, okay? What is for each loop?
Ma'am, first initialization or declaration, and after that using for loop with the length, and after that body means system.out.println.
There will
Anyone?
be one. There will be one index value,
Yeah,
one value, and we don't have to give any increment uh, any value here. Automatically, it will come.
like we have to write like
I
For
think,
integer,
ma'am,
integer
B class
I
integer I
colon
and
ARR
ARR.
colon ARR, and in the print we have to call the I, then we got the result.
Yeah.
We can traverse the loop without any index variable.
Yes. Sangeeta, what is for each loop? Oh, Sangeeta is not there, na? So yes, for each loop, you have to first define the data type of the array, okay? And then I take a variable x, then colon, then the name of the array, okay? Then I printed the x. This is the normal syntax, okay? So you have to first define the data type of the array, then one variable, then colon, then the array name, okay?
Is there is hello ma'am.
Yes,
After for loop,
yes,
you are using the second bracket.
yes,
Is that a need for the for each loop?
yes.
If you
The
don't use,
x is in the loop, right?
yeah, but I think If you
Without second bracket, this is also
it
Yes,
will be work.
it is a local variable now.
Yes.
yes, yes.
Yes. So I have to use this in a second bracket, right?
Second bracket.
I think ma'am for each loop a value of an array, right ma'am?
Yes. Can anyone tell what is the disadvantage of this using the for each loop? First, tell me about the advantages of using the for each loop.
No need to increment, no need to declare the index value.
Yes.
All
Kunal?
value of an
Let
array.
Yes, say. We saying, say.
বুঝতে পারছি।
Hello? Who is saying? Buddhadev?
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Yes, you are saying something, right?
All value of an array is for each loop advantage, right ma'am?
I don't understand. Please repeat.
No ma'am, for each looping using the all value just like of an array, right ma'am?
Yes, that is also possible for the for each loop or the while loop, right? So, what are the advantages?
Errors should be less using for each loop.
Yes, there is
And
no
it is
use of
easy.
index, right?
Yes.
Yes. And what are the disadvantages?
Disadvantage. Ma'am, you cannot use for each loop in the multi-dimension array.
Ma'am, we cannot reverse the array, ma'am.
Yes, we
ma'am,
cannot
Cannot reverse
reverse.
towers. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And here,
Reverse order.
for
yes,
each loop is slower than for loop since it checks the condition 2 times.
and also one disadvantage is there. You cannot skip any elements, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it will come one after another.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
You can note down these points also. What is the advantage? What is the disadvantages of an for each loop, and write down the syntax also.
I think ma'am for each loop টা basically use করা হয় PHP তে ma'am, right ma'am?
Array list. Yes. In
Right
array
ma'am?
list, we use the for each loop.
Yeah ma'am, yeah.
Yes. In JSP pages. So you have already done the final, right? Final keyword.
No.
Yes.
So the final methods are inherited, but they are not eligible for the overriding, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So please write down the a program for this example, all of you.
For which,
See the
which example, ma'am? Using final method, ma'am?
yes, final methods that are inherited, but
Okay,
they are
okay, ma'am.
not overriding.
Yeah, ma'am.
Please, all of you, write down the any example, okay?
Okay.
Understand the question, all of you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you
Please
have
repeat.
already read, you have already know about the final methods, right?
Yes.
Final methods. So final methods are inherited but not overridden, right?
Yes.
Yes. So write an example that it will give me that the methods are inherited but not overriding. Write a
And
program for
using
that.
array.
No, not array. Final method, not
Okay.
array. It is a different concept, right? So just use the final methods. Give an example that it is eligible for inherited but not eligible for overriding.
Can you repeat, ma'am? Hello,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, Buddhadev.
Yes, ma'am.
Final methods are inherited, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but not overriding, right? It is not overridden, right? Final
Yeah.
methods. So please give me an example of that. You could declare a final method and then write the example in your code that final methods are inherited but they are not eligible for overriding. Okay. So write
Can you
down a
repeat, ma'am?
code.
Question, please, ma'am. Can you repeat question, ma'am?
Anyone please repeat to Buddhadev? Anyone?
By using yes, yes. By using final method, we can
Yes.
inherit it, right? Both of them.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
But can we override?
No.
Yeah, that is the program. Got it?
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Write an example of that.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is Anisha, ma'am.
Yes, Anisha.
Ma'am, my laptop is not working. It has gone for repair, ma'am. I will not able to write the code, ma'am.
Okay, just write down your in your copy and then
Okay.
you can check after.
Hey, sorry, yeah, ma'am, completed, ma'am.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Complete, ma'am.
Can we make a private constructor?
Can you please repeat again? The voice is too low.
Okay, so can we make a private constructor?
Private constructor.
Yes.
Private constructor.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I think yes.
So what will be the disadvantage if we make the private constructor?
Ma'am, if we use private constructor, we cannot create the object from the other class, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
It will be accessible only the same class. Only
Yes.
inside the same class.
Yes. You cannot create the object of that class from the outside class,
Yes.
right?
But we cannot create the constructor chain.
Yes. Sudipa is present today. Sudipa? Sudipa? Sudipa, are you there?
She is replying in the chat box.
Okay. Yes. Raghul, I give example how to use the loops. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So Shobhan has sent the code to me. No problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Khushbu, share your screen. It is done. It is done. The file. final methods.
Oh, yes.
Yes, please share your screen. Sushobhan, done. Sushobhan.
Yes, ma'am. Done. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes, yes, yes,
Is it visible, ma'am?
yes,
Hello?
yes,
Hello, ma'am?
yes, 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 it is
Yes, ma'am.
visible. Continue.
I will. Yes, ma'am. I will take class one, test 7, and then I will create one method that is final, and here I will extend the class, and then I will override the method, and then I will call it here by calling by obj object. Then it will show error, ma'am. Run it. So we cannot override a final method. I could not find or load main class.
Yes, yes, yes. Comment out the line 7 and 8, 7, 8, 9, number line. Yes. What is the error?
Your object cannot be resolved.
But the object will be created.
Ma'am,
What is
first
the
line
problem?
package my Java. Package is not here in line number 1.
No.
It's default
Ma'am, no, ma'am, the
package.
object is comment outward, ma'am.
The line number 13.
Line number 13 is commented.
Yes, ma'am. The object creation is comment out.
Remove the comment in line number 13.
But it is showing error.
Yes,
That will not happen, right? But
and
it is
ending
coming.
bracket in test 7. Add an ending bracket in test 7 and then
Yes,
remove
ma'am.
one bracket from sample 1.
Yes, yes, yes. That is the problem. Remove the line number 9. Khushbu.
Yeah, bracket should be comment.
Yes. Remove the line number 9. I think she is having a network issue. Okay, Buddhadev, share your screen.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Just wait. I am joined the laptop. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Namrata.
Ma'am, question is only to show the inheritance part, no?
Yes, because the
Yeah.
overridden is not
Yeah,
possible,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Okay.
Okay. Do you want to share?
Yes.
Okay, then share your screen.
Okay. Just my connection is lost. My connection. Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay. Nazlin, share.
Can I share?
Just wait, Naran. Nazneen, please share your screen. Nazneen.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, share your screen.
Okay, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
It
Hello.
is visible.
Yes, visible.
Yes,
Explain.
visible.
Ma'am, first I create the class demo. Then I create the method void show with final keyword and show the good morning message. And then I extend the demo class in sample. And here I create the same show. It shows the error when I call the show method through the object, shows the error because we can't override in the show method here because it is final.
Yes. But here we can inherit, right?
Yes, ma'am, we can inherit it but can't override it.
Yes.
Is it okay,
Okay.
ma'am?
Yes. You can stop share.
Thank you, ma'am.
Put there.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Share.
Who is speaking?
Hello.
Yes. Who is speaking? Hariharan, share.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sharing, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Is my screen visible? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, Hariharan.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah. Okay.
Hariharan. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Today, I mean, here I have created two classes named Hello, and here I have created another class called Final, and I have extended the Hello, and I here also have an method named display in Hello, and I have used the keyword Final here, and I am trying to overwrite here. Okay. Let me delete it, and when I delete it, we can't override because we can't override the final keyword method. Okay, when I delete that, there is no error showing.
Yes.
Wait, it's loading. Yeah, when I run it without the final keyword, we can see that the hello changes to hi. Wait a little slow.
Hariharan, one thing I want to tell you that
Yes,
don't use the
instead of
keywords.
displaying hello, I have displayed an hi. Okay, now I am using final keyword here, and when I use final keyword, it shows error and we can't override it. Hence, we can't override the final method, but we can inherit it. Okay.
Hariharan, one
Okay.
thing
Now
I
I am
want to
going to
add.
inherit it.
Hariharan.
Ma'am, are you speaking? I can't hear anything.
Hariharan, don't use the keywords for the
Hello?
class name, okay? Hariharan,
Yes, ma'am.
final is a
Yeah, okay,
keyword.
ma'am.
Try to don't use
Can I
the
stop, sir, ma'am?
keywords.
Ma'am, I can't
Hariharan,
hear your voice, ma'am. Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
okay.
Hello?
Yes, am I audible? All of
Hello?
you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible, ma'am.
Yes, I am
No, ma'am.
saying that.
I can't hear, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
No, ma'am, I can't hear.
Can you
okay.
hear me, Hariharan?
Stop share. Yes, Kunal, tell
Ma'am, 1 second,
Hariharan.
ma'am. I will log in through my mobile, ma'am. I can't hear anything, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Not able to share. Anybody?
Yes, stop share, Hariharan. All of you just don't use the keywords for the class name, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, if I use a final method,
Yes.
it will work, right? Because only final is a keyword. The final method is not a keyword.
Hmm. But try to not use the
Okay,
keywords,
okay,
okay?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hello,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am. Namrata.
Yes, Namrata.
Namrata.
Hello, ma'am.
I share.
Hello?
One by
Hello,
one.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what you are saying, I can't hear, ma'am. Can you repeat?
Yes, Hariharan. Don't
Yes, ma'am.
use the keywords because final is a keyword, right? So don't
Yes,
use
ma'am.
the keywords for the class name, okay? You can write any class name, demo, test, ABC, write
Yeah, oh, okay,
anything,
okay,
but
okay,
don't
ma'am.
use the keywords, okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
But as I have used a capital letter F, it
Yes,
show it
yes,
gets error, ma'am.
yes, capital letter, but
Yes,
try
ma'am.
to not use the keywords, okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Namrata, are you saying something? Namrata? Okay, after that, anyone want to share?
Ma'am, Salai, ma'am. Karthik Salai, sir, ma'am.
Yes, Karthik, share.
Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, visible.
Okay, ma'am. See, ma'am, here I create one class, and the name of the class is animal, ma'am. And inside the animal class, I use the one method, and I declare that method as a final method. So final method cannot be cannot be overridden, but it was inherited, but cannot be overridden.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, I'm
Yes,
audible.
Buddhadev, just wait.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Here I created another class. The class name is new final. This class simply extends the animal class. So the animal class was inherited by this class. Here I created the object for the second class, the new final class. Here I created object for the new final class. By using the object, I just call the eat method. The eat method belongs to actually animal class. Due to it was using extend keyword, it was inherited here, so it can be work. But if I try to override that function, that method, it cannot be done. If I click it, it shows some errors like
Yes.
remove final modifier of on animal.it.
Yes,
So it
you also find a error in the footer section that
yes, ma'am.
he had written also.
It recommended that just remove the final
Yes,
keyword.
cannot
It also
override the
yes,
final method.
yes, it clearly says that. So if I remove this, if I comment out, now it was simply inherited. So I can easily access that. The
Okay.
output was come simply come. Okay, ma'am.
Karthik,
Yes,
please give me the control. In view
control
option, remote control request, then type my name.
remote control to you. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you can see my screen, see Karthik's screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the difference between line number 14 and line number 15?
In line number 14, we are creating the reference variable of new final and storing the value of new final in that reference variable n. And in line number 15, we are creating the reference variable of the parent class, which is animal, and storing the value of the new final in the reference variable a.
And you are using upcasting, ma'am.
So what will be the changes? What is the mainly differences? I mean, I know that n is the reference of child class and a is the reference of parent class. Okay. My question is, what will happen? I mean, in the program, can you see the differences?
Nothing will change, ma'am.
Nothing will change.
Ma'am, if we write a dot eat, it will also show the same output. Animals
Yes,
can
ma'am.
eat, and if we write n dot eat, it will also show the same output.
Yes, ma'am.
No, suppose these things are not there. I am just asking you that if these things are not there, okay, so
Ma'am, your voice is coming very slow.
I am just asking what is the difference between these two lines. In the line number 14, I have created the child reference, right? And in line number 15, I have created the parents reference, okay? So if we create any method or anything, what will be the main differences?
I mean, line number 14, you can access the all methods inside that class, ma'am. But if you are using the reference of the parent class, you have access only the parent class methods, ma'am.
Karthik, repeat.
And if you are in line number 14, ma'am,
Yes.
you can access the all methods because these methods are maybe inherited from the parent class. So you can access the all the methods inside that class, ma'am. But if you are using the parent class reference, you can only access the parent class methods, ma'am. You cannot access the child class methods.
Yes. Yes, Karthik, you are right. Using the child references, we can use the both. We can call the both parent and
Yes,
child
ma'am.
class methods, right?
Parent and
Yes,
child
ma'am.
class.
Yes. But if we use parent references, then we can call only the methods available in parent
Parent.
class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Parent.
Yes.
Yes. Karthik, stop share.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So anyone want to show your output and explain?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kunal.
Okay. So this is the class bike, which is a parent method here. Here I'm creating a run, parent class, sorry. I'm creating a final variable, a final method run. This will be the output of the final method. And here I'm creating another class, which will extend this parent class. This is showing error because we can see a Java exception has occurred. So we cannot change the value of this
Okay.
method here, but if we comment out this line, what, one second, what's the problem? Oh, I forgot to say. This will run. Here I am calling this run method, which is final method, with the variable reference variable created by the uh, class, sorry, child class constructor, but it is still giving me the output bike is running, which means the Bajaj class has inherited the bike class successfully, but it did not run if we try to change the value of the void run method, because void run is final and we cannot change the value.
Kunal, please explain why we cannot override the static method.
Okay, we cannot override the static method because static method is stored in class method area, and overriding completely depends on the object, and method an object is stored in the heap area.
Okay, thank you, Kunal. You
Hello,
can
ma'am.
stop share. Yes.
Ma'am, in last class I said that static method can be overridden using interfaces. I have done a program.
Okay, just share your screen and show me the program.
Okay. Is it visible?
No, it is low. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. By using interface, it can be overridden, but I don't know why it is happening. By using class, it is not working, but we use interface, it is working. It shows it, add method is overridden.
Okay.
But I don't know what the reason, but it is working in interface.
In next class, I will explain. Okay, I even also don't know.
Okay. Okay, shall I stop?
Yes, yes. Show me the final method example.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. This is my final method. I created a class add and created a final method and print in add data, and created a class motor which extends add method add a class, and created same method data, and I print in ACC data. While I create the object for motor and printing object.data, it does it an error will be occurred. It doesn't print anything
Okay.
because final method can't be overridden.
Okay, you can stop share.
Okay.
Can you go to?
Hello, ma'am. I am share my screen, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Share your screen. Rahul, send me the static method example in the
Okay.
photo. Okay.
Okay.
It is visible, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. First, this is the class name, and I am create the final method. And first, this is the output everyone, and this is the I am object create and the class and main parent class and final example. Sorry, my parent class is final example and extended and demo class name. And next, I am object created and final example, and then object, and this is the demo method, and this is the final method. This is the output will be hello.
Yes.
hello everyone. Okay, ma'am. Right, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Hello everyone. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes. You can stop share. It is right.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
And I think static method can be done just in the Java 8
Yes,
using
Java.
inter.
Yes.
Ma'am, shall I share?
Yes, share.
Hello.
Yes. Explain.
So I create one class basic, and take a final method, final void it, and print it hello. Then take a class final extend basic, and take another method void so, then print hi. Then create instance of final method and print those, and that is the output hi and hello.
Here the method should be same, or you are using
You are
different.
not overriding.
Or you have to see only inheritance, no?
Yes.
So is it okay, na?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay. Next option, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I share?
Yes, yes. Share.
Hello, ma'am. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Here. So here I am using create a class, that is class 1, and I am using a method that is using final void, so that is final method, and after that the body part I am printing hi. So and I am creating another class 2, which is I am using inheritance. So for that I am inheritant class 1, class 2 extends class 1, and after that I am using hide show method, because what I am commenting that, because I am commenting that for the running purpose, and you all know that if you use the same method, that the overriding concept. So I am using white show. Okay, and after that you show that there should be some error in the white show method. Why that error is come? Actually, you know all that when you are using final method, but you cannot override the method. Here I am using previously void show method, and now I am using sim void show. So here this concept clearly said that you cannot override it. Okay, so I am commenting that.
Yes.
After that I am using main method, and here I am calling as a class 2 object equal to new class 2, and I am calling the method object that show that it will print high. So after that running program, it will show the output as a high. So from that program we will understand that you cannot using final method, you cannot override, but you can inheritance
Yes.
that. Yeah, that's my.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, I am stop sharing.
Yes,
Hello,
yes,
ma'am.
yes. Yes.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Hello. Ma'am, I'm Khushbu.
Yes, yes. Khushbu.
Hello. Ma'am, now only I'm joining. Ma'am, some network issue.
Yes, yes. Okay.
I'm safe. Yeah. Ma'am, I'm joining with my phone. So I'm not
Okay.
able to share my screen. Okay, ma'am.
So can we move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you understand the concept, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am, I had also tried about the static overriding.
Okay, Shobhik, just wait. I will see and then I will explain in the next class. Okay, Rahul
Using
already said.
interface in
Okay.
Java 8 you can do.
Yes.
Okay, there should not here. But without Java 8 it should be not.
No, I am not using the interface. Normal class only I have used.
Okay, Shobhik, just wait. I have to finish that
Okay, ma'am.
2D array. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
What is 2D array?
Two-dimensional.
The array which has one row and one column.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
I think ma'am
Hello,
multiple
ma'am.
row and
Multiple.
multiple column just like a 2D array.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
One row and one
Multiple.
column, that is vertical and
Yes.
horizontal
Ma'am,
for 2D array.
multiple row and columns. More than one column. That is for 2D array.
Anyone? Anything?
In 3 rows and 3 columns.
Yes.
Yeah, 2D array will have 3 rows and 3 columns.
One row, one column. You can create.
1 row, 1 column. Okay.
Yes. The row concept and the column concept is there. Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
Okay. everyone can see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can declare like this, okay? And also you can use the new keyword. So using the new keyword, so first will be the number of rows, okay? And then second will be the number of columns. So you can put value like this. And continue, okay? So the row is 0, it will show the where the data will store, right? The index value of the row and the index value of the column, right? Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. You can put the value like this, okay? Any doubt up to this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I am giving you one example how to access the array data, okay? If you see in previous example, I was taking a for loop for I. So I will be the index. In here, if I want to access the data, then I have to take two variables, one for the row, one for the column, right? Two for loops will be there, right? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes.
In previous, you have seen I have taken one variable for that because it was the one dimensional array and I only take for the index value, right? In here, there will be two index value, one for the row and one for the column. So I have to take two variables, right? One for the row and one for the column. Right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
With the two variable I if
here I have how many rows?
3, ma'am.
Yes,
Three rows.
3 rows and 3 columns.
3 rows, 3
3,
columns.
ma'am. 3.
yes. Then I have to write I comma j, right? I for the row and j for the column. Here I am using the two variables, right?
Yes.
just create two-dimensional array of two subjects. There you can show your subject marks. Okay, just create everyone.
Ma'am, repeat.
All of you just create an array of two-dimensional array. There you can show the marks, two subject marks. Okay, suppose subject 1 marks and subject 2 marks of your and of Shobhik, Shushoban, 4 students marks. Okay, subject 1 and subject 2.
At last we have to addition.
No, not addition.
Repeat once. We have to declare
Two-dimensional array of subject 1 and subject 2.
okay.
And
Then
show the marks. Okay, just show the marks. Just print the for the access the marks. You have to use the for loop and then just print the value. Okay, for subject 1 and subject 2. All of you getting the output of like row or column or just like me?
just like you.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I am facing some issue.
Which
Please
is
solve.
okay, just share your screen.
Okay. This length is 012.
Line number 9, you use I. Here's J.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
You can stop share. if you want to print like this, then you have to do one thing. Okay, first line will be not println. Println, that's why next line is there. Okay, so if you want to print like this, the row wise and the column wise, then you have to do like this. Okay,
Yeah.
or until you will get the one line output.
After giving this, I'm not
Yes.
getting the proper output also.
Okay, Shobhi, just wait. I am sharing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, see. Was written here the println, that's why one line is coming, right? So after that I am writing here the first print, then it will print, and then I write here. So the first system dot out dot println in the for loop of j, and the second system dot out dot println will be in the for loop of I. Okay, this is how
But
you can
I
get the
have done the I
okay.
have
See,
done the same thing, but not getting the proper output.
Shobhi,
Shall I
can you
show my?
share? Yes,
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 yes, I'm.
you can share. Remove the print ln in line number 10.
Println prints the every new line.
Yes. Just print.
Yes.
ln is for next line, right?
If you use
And
just a simply print,
yes,
it will
yes.
print the same line.
Save and run. Yes. You are giving the ln, that's why it is not printing like this. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Yes, you can stop share.
okay.
Karthik, done?
Hello, ma'am. Did you say anything, ma'am?
Yes, done.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am means to print the 2D output, ma'am. 2D array output.
No, you are not trying the subject 1, subject 2?
Yes. After that,
No, ma'am. I did not try anything, ma'am.
Okay, just try the example.
Okay, ma'am.
Try to create a 2D array of
ma'am,
subject
I have
1 and
one doubt, ma'am.
yes, Narayan, what is
In
the
the
doubt?
last, what have I to do, ma'am? I am creating subject one and subject two both array,
Yes,
2D
and
array,
yes.
and after that I am creating another array as a result.
Okay.
Ma'am, actually, what to do?
No,
Using
no,
subject one,
just
subject
display
two.
the, don't think it complex, okay? Just try to do 2D array, okay? And then one is subject 1, one is subject 2, give some value of subject 1 and subject 2 and then display it.
So we have to create the two array, ma'am.
Yes,
Subject
yes.
one is simple one.
Yes, yes. Subject
Okay,
1,
okay,
you
ma'am.
can give the subject name also as Java or subject 2 as HTML and give any marks. and then just display.
And we have to okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. I will try, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I share, ma'am?
Shobboshachi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Do you want to share?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, share.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I've taken an array with subject maths and computer and the marks in second row. And
Yes.
then did that. I've taken a string array for this.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yes, yes. String array. Yes. Yes. Good.
Oh God.
Ma'am,
Yes.
yes, can I share?
Yes, yes. Share.
Yes. So here I have created one-dimensional array with two string values, and I'm traversing through this array with variable a, and created a two-dimensional array with integer type, and traversing through this with integer I and j, and
Okay.
this is the output.
Okay. Try to do in row columns and just print.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Shubhrokanta. Shubhrokanta.
Doing, ma'am.
Okay. Who has already completed? Please share. Shushobon. Shushobon.
Doing, ma'am, doing. Last.
Okay. Sudipa. Hariharan.
Ma'am, doing, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone know what is array list? What is an array list?
Ma'am, I think in array list we can store the different type of data types, ma'am. We can store the string along with the integer like that, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I completed my Sally, sir, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Karthik, sure.
See, ma'am. Here I created one string array, ma'am. String 2-dimensional array, and using the 3x3 matrix like that, ma'am. First, I give the name of the subjects and along with the marks. So using 2 for loops, I just print out that, ma'am. This is the output, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Karthik.
Yeah, ma'am. This okay, ma'am?
Yes, good.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got an error that when I fetch the j value, so I and j, on that time in the j is showing that j cannot be resolved to a variable.
Can you share your screen?
Okay, just a
Ma'am, we can also input the value from keyboard. We can do like that, ma'am. Using the
yes,
scanner class.
using the
Yes,
scanner.
yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Wait, ma'am, I'm sharing.
Yes, I'm completed.
Okay, wait, wait.
Okay.
I'm Shobik can show because I have to connect the PC. I'm
Okay,
connecting.
Shobik, then share.
Okay, ma'am. So I've declared the class multiple one, then the main method. In the main method, I've given the two-dimensional array, a string array, and given the value of subject 1, subject 2, 30 and 40. Then for first for loop is for subject, and second for loop, which is defined by the index j, and it is for the value 30 and 40. Then I have just printed array I and j, and this is for making the matrix syntax, and that is the output on it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Shobik, good.
Okay.
Kunal?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I've shown my output. I'm just changing it. a bit.
Oh, yes. Okay. Shubrokanto? Hariharan?
I'm getting some error, ma'am.
Which error? Try to solve?
I'm resolving.
Type in the chat box. You are not audible.
Yes.
Type in the chat box. Shubhrakanto, type in the chat box. Namrata, Nazneen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, not connecting. Can I send a picture?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I have seen the pictures. Okay, it is right. Shrudipa and Khushbu.
Ma'am, can I show, ma'am?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have.
Namrata. Right. Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
continue.
Nazreen, ma'am.
Yes, Nazneen.
Ma'am, I have used a string array. In first loop, with in I variable, and in second loop through j variable, and print the both value.
I is for the
row and j is for column. This is my output, ma'am.
Okay.
Stop sharing, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Namrata, Shubhrakant, it is right. Shushovan?
Yes, ma'am. Error solved. Okay.
Okay.
Now just give me. Karthik, help me because I give a semicolon after the second loop. That's why the error came.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm done, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. I will connect with my PC. Ma'am.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Here I have created, ma'am. Here I have used a string keyword, and I have printed these two values: student 1 92 and student 2 72. And when I run this program, I will get the output like this. Yeah. This is.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Can I stop, sir, ma'am?
Yes, you can stop share.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So one thing is there, jagged array. Okay. So what is this? Anyone know?
What, ma'am?
Jagged array.
Different number of column in different rows.
Yes. Here the columns and the rows are same, right? 3 3. But we can declare 2 columns 3 rows or 3 columns 2 rows, right? So this is called the jagged array. Okay. So the number of rows and number of columns will be different.
I am done previous code, ma'am.
Okay. So here in line number 9, I have declared in second row 2 columns, right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Right.
So this is the example of an jagged array. Okay. So the column number are different, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose one student did not give the third exam, then you can use like this, right? The field will be blank. Then you can use the jagged array, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just like ma'am, star programming. This is the same, ma'am.
Yes.
Pattern program, right, ma'am?
Yes. Suppose I appeared for the Java exam, not appeared for the HTML exam. Then you have to not give me the HTML number. Then you can use the jagged array, right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
In the HTML field, there will be no value.
Yes.
Any question about the jagged array? Today all of you must attend the Zoom, okay?
What, ma'am?
Today all of you must join the Zoom.
Okay, evening, ma'am.
Yes, in evening.
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham, do you want to share the previous code?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Just is it visible, ma'am?
No.
Now it's
Yes.
visible.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. This is the program. I took the string array of the Java and PHP marks and then give the marks and call it for that. First, ma'am, first problem I give here the semicolon. That's why the
The for
say
loop
it's
is
not.
not working.
Yes, yes. Then, ma'am, I gave the system out of print line in here. Then this like just a minute. I'm running. On that time the matrix format is not coming because I don't give the system dot out dot print line in the last.
Yes. Last for loop.
Yes, last folder I gave here
Mhm.
and then it's coming like that. Then Karthik told me to give here in this
Yes.
CISO, then it's coming. Okay, ma'am. Stop sharing.
Yes. Annesha? Annesha?
Yes, ma'am. I don't have
I know. Annesha, do you understand the jagged array? Understand the whole things of array?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Ankur, share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, 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 ma'am.
It is my previous example.
Okay.
I am taking the name marks and all in the string, and then by using